We're learning how to deploy a PHP admin panel to DirectAdmin cPanel and configure Firebase details in the .env file and manage your database with PHPMyAdmin. So first of all, we'll head over to the DirectAdmin domain and log in with our credentials. And after which, we'll open our Firebase console where we'll be getting our details like the authDomain, Firebase database, and the rest. So we'll create a web app just for this testing purpose. We'll name it test, whatever I want to name it. Register the app and then all the details we'll be needing for the later part of the video will be presented. You can see the project ID, storage buckets, Firebase database and all. Alright, create a database, and I already have some other databases around, but for this video we're creating another one. We'll just call it test. The database will be what to use at the later part of the video to configure the admin for the testing purpose. So we'll create a password, just something simple. And head over to your subdomains, your DirectAdmin, and add a new subdomain. Probably call it test something. So that will be like the path to the public underscore HTML, which we need to run our configuration. And we created successfully. So let's head over to the folder where we can access the subdomains. So we'll go to domains and go to the subdomain for this particular testing video. Go to the public underscore HTML and we'll import our zip file. Panel zip file that I will be using for this purpose and upload it. So wait for the file to be uploaded. Okay, it has been uploaded successfully. Now we can exit it and let's rename the folder to something simple. The purpose of renaming it will be, once we've extracted it, it will become the path when you're accessing the site itself on the browser. Alright, let's extract it now. And we'll see, I think we'll still need to rename the folder itself. Remove your zip file if you desire to maybe just for any purpose. You can just remove it or leave it, doesn't really matter. Head over over to the .env file where we can configure our database username and password, and also configure the Firebase project configurations. So we'll take the name and apply. Also we'll do the same for the password, the username, and we've done it for the database. Okay, now let's head over to the Firebase section where we'll add our API key, authDomain, databaseURL, projectId, rest. So we'll just head over here and copy it word for word and letters for letters. So for accuracy purpose, and after saving it, go to PHPMyAdmin to import the SQL file. .sql can be imported as .sql or .sql.zip, but you need to import it to the PHPMyAdmin. So you can see the data was created is already reflecting here, and click on import. Shows the file, which will be the admin database.sql. Okay, import it and let it import successfully. The username and all will also be displayed. And as you access the subdomain we created, the link and the URL, you see that it's open, and we've successfully configured our PHP Admin Panel using DirectAdmin.